Alright guys, some of you are not working like you need to be, and some of you are using those examples in Alex, but there are other examples out there that a lot of you haven't realized. So if you log into Alex and go up here to this top corner, Instructor Resources. Instructor Resources are resources that I put out there for you. Two things that you want to go to. You want to go to lecture notes. So if you click on lecture notes, what I have done from the bottom to the top is I have started what I did this semester in my lecture class, face-to-face class. These are the notes that I did, and then here's the video of me teaching those notes. So if you just want to look at the notes from the beginning of the semester, let's say that you're in, or you just randomly click on this day, and you're going to open it, and you can just look at the notes. And you can see how I taught things using a calculator, how I taught things in class. The only thing is, if I have dates on there, you don't need to look at the dates. But if you scroll down, you can see how I worked out problems. This is on volume and area. This is how I worked out problems. And I even show you how to use the calculator steps. Now, if this doesn't make sense just looking at it, we are looking at 824. So now I'm still under this little rant up here, and I went to 824 notes. Now the video is in two parts, so if you click on video part 1, it's going to pull up me teaching that video, me teaching the lecture. I have all the lectures out there for the semester. You can fast forward it. You can see exactly how to do. The first video is about 30 minutes. The second video is about 15 or 20 minutes. But you're actually in a class watching me do it. This is really going to help you. Now, so I went up here. I went to Instructor Resources. And then I went under Lecture Notes. I have the notes, and then right above it, I have the video that goes with those notes. This is Modules 1, Module 2, and Module 3. So there's a lot of stuff out there. Now, in addition to lecture notes, I have typed notes. So if you're in Module 1, if you're doing whole numbers and fractions, I have typed notes up for you. And this tells you how to enter things into a calculator. What does a number divided by 0 mean? What are all the properties? How do you round numbers? How do you do exponents in your calculator? I've typed up everything that you need to use. You just need to use it. Now, the other thing, let me get back into my student view. So I did type notes and I did lecture notes. Another one that you can use is worked out solutions. These, all the modules, Module 1, Module 2. So let me click on Module 1, Part 2. Go in there. These are an abbreviated version of how to work everything out. Again, we don't give you 45 steps like Alex does. We give you something a lot smaller. What's a prime number? And if we use a calculator, we show you. So there's 3 different great resources out there. You just have to use it. Now, if you're not sure where you are, what module you're in, click on Alex. Remember the number in the middle, that's how many objectives you've done. If you click on it, that's what percent you're at. We want this pie to be at 100%. So if I go to continue my path and I want to know what module I'm on, we're going to do the double drop down. We'll drop down here, and it says I'm in Module 1. We'll drop down there. So I am in Module 1. I have 35 topics left to finish Module 1. When I finish it, I'll go on to Module 2. If you want to skip problems, you pull the drop down and you pick another problem to work on. The only ones you cannot do are the ones with the lock on them. Click on a problem that doesn't have a lock on it, pull up the drop down, and you can work on a different problem. Email me, call me, text me if you have any questions. We need you to get making that pie as juicy as possible.